Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and yes, the sun's out, famous last words. What am I doing today? Well, I thought I'd give a bit of a scrub up underneath, under the back, put a little bit of anti-corrosion treatment on the car. It's not bad, it's just something worth doing, given that it's a Ford, and yeah, it's a 2007, so it's starting to get old. There we go, folks, followers and subscribers. Car's up on its ramps. Yeah, love that. I'm just going to put some of my flooring down. Some of these. So let's set that up and yeah, have a quick mooch around underneath the car. There we go, all my delightful mats set up. I bought those from a well-known auto accessory retail place. I had a voucher actually. I had 2 vouchers even for Christmas, so yeah, shout out to the person that paid for those. It's really good. That's what I'm going to be doing. I just want to do some of the underside, just a few of the rough spots, just give it a bit of protection. I have got some anti-corrosion spray to go on if I can find it. Yeah, wobbly cam. I've got some of this to go on, and then I'll probably coat it with that as well. Something to do. Yeah. So that's my plan. Let's go and put this on the windowsill. Make it look half decent. I'm probably going to go over it with a wire brush, or if I can actually find it, my little brush attachment for my battery powered drill. So let's have a good look for that first. There we go, I've got my battery powered drill with this little brush attachment. I've got a well-worn wire brush, and yeah, let's have a quick look under the car. Ideally I'd like to drop the rear subframe out of the car, but what I want to do is these rear bits here. I'm also looking at taking these out to lower the car even more, but that's going to be for another video, I think. Anti-roll bars, I'm actually talking to somebody about replacing those, and somewhere up here, back in there, is the rear camber adjusters. Again, I'm planning on talking to somebody about those. There we go, it's a little bit quieter. I may try and do up in behind those, because that's also a common spot for these cars to get a bit maggoty. But it's a Ford anyway, yeah, so they do it everywhere. When I get my workshop, hopefully I can do all of this properly by removing everything. That's if I don't buy a Supra or a Nissan Micra or a 660cc Japanese car. Who knows? Anyway, let's go over this bit here with my wire brush. I won't film it because obviously I'm going to get covered in crap. Well, the battery on my drill went flat. Typically, I normally leave all these things ready to roll. I've given these a quick wire brush, but as I say, my main area of attention are both of these sides, this side and the other side. I scraped back a lot of the loose debris. As you can see, it's not rotten, it's just surface rust, but it will pay if I plan on keeping the car to treat it now, because as I say, it's a Ford, it will only get worse. Yeah, let's get rid of a bit more surface flakes and then I can go about treating it. Can you guess what I've done? Yeah, I've literally just given it a quick coat. Not worried about the grommet or the wire that goes to the rear reverse light or fog light. Got a tiny bit on the plastic there. I didn't mask it up because, as I say, it's under the car. The car's not going to be a show car. If anything, it's going to be track use and road use. Yeah, so I'm going to go around to the other side, over there somewhere, and prep that corner, and do the same with that one, and then hopefully by the time I've done that, that'll be dry, and then I can go over it with a top coat, and that shall be done. There we go, that's that side done. 2 coats actually, and it's dried, and if my back allows, that's the other side done. This side wasn't actually as bad, which is a bit odd, but yeah. So now, as you can guess, ta-da, I'm going to go over it with some paint. Yeah, bit of a wobble cam. That's what I'm doing. Again, picked it up in some auto accessory shop. Got myself some brushes. I'm literally just going to blob it all on. As I say, you won't see it, but hopefully it will just do a little bit to preserve the life of the car. And then hopefully when I can get the car airborne properly, as like I say, I want to change a lot of these anyway, but I've given these a quick wire brush back, so I may just give the base of this a quick coat, but I'm not going to go crazy. And then later on, obviously I want to take the wheels off and do the bit inside there, because that's where my Mark 1 rusted. I'm repaired, but yeah, can't see as these being any different. And then if I can get to it, as I say, I'm going to have a quick try and look behind the seal there, because that's another known spot, but we shall see. Well, you may ask how it's going. Let's show you the consistency of this stuff. It's like chocolate sauce. Yeah, it's very thick, but I've done a little bit there, just the underside of that bit and the base of that, because they were the worst. But up in here, yeah, again, like I say, you won't see it, but it's just under prolong the life of the car. So yeah, impressed with that. I'm going to move on to the other side now, which I say wasn't as bad, but it was worth doing. Might as well, I'm under the car, hey ho. There we go, complete. I've done that lower part there. As I say, it's yeah, bit of protection. I've done under that bit, and as you would have seen, I've done a little bit of the press member, but I plan on replacing all of that. And yeah, that bit as I've done. So yeah, that's all I was going to do for this video. Again, a brief video, but I know a few people like me to document what I'm doing to my car. Yeah, Tyres are looking good. Car's going really well at the minute. Famous last words. As I say, I'm just going to take some measurements because I'm looking at changing the rear anti-roll bars. The car's got a little bit of lean in it. I could turn the shocks up, but that's not the way I want to do it. So yeah, if you want to watch what I plan to do to the car next, obviously click on the subscribe button, click on that notification button, and then you'll get notified as to when I upload my next video. But until then, as per usual, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Wow.